Hi, this is Johnny Mecker. I'm coming to you from Chicago as usual, and today we got a fun one. It's not too long. It's just a good old-fashioned sovereign citizen court fail, and I think someone might have had too much coffee. Let's do it. From the secret headquarters of the Sovereign Citizen Patrol, initiating video production sequence. We are no longer playing, so let's get revved up. It's time for Law Talk with Mike. Here we go, vertical video. The least of our problems.
Good afternoon. Oh, about here? I'm the administrator for that matter. I said I'm the administrator for that matter.
Mr. Q9, you're charged with trespassing in the third degree. How do you understand that charge?
Your Honor, you'll never stand over me, so when you say I understand, please elaborate.
Do you understand?
All right, so we start with two soft sit staples. First of all, failing to comprehend the meaning of understand, which is ironic in itself. And also, I believe, although you can't hear the judge, that he's saying he's the agent for, he won't give his name, pulling the whole straw man routine. With that great start, let's see where we go.
No man will ever stand over me, sir. So please say it again. I'm sorry. Okay.
You are charged with trespassing in the third degree. How do you plead on that charge?
Before I plead, I need to know that I was told that you're a man of God, and I was told that you took an oath of office. Did you take?
Oh, I was told you were a man of God. I doubt that, number one. Number two, it's irrelevant. But it does put everyone on notice you're dealing with a bad situation. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, or the dogs get it.
An oath of office.
I am not answering questions. This is an arraignment.
You're not going to answer. You're supposed to be the judge, correct? You're not going to tell me whether you took an oath of office or not.
Have you removed from the courtroom? You can plead on this charge. And what we will do is then set you plead guilty. And we'll go one course. If you plead not guilty, then I'll set the case down for the trial.
You're not going to tell me whether you took an oath to office. You're a judge to this.
He's the judge. All this is a complete nonsense. You get to plead guilty or not guilty. That's it. There's no other option.
It's County of Mount Brick. Why can't you tell me if you took an oath of office? It would proceed to say that you did take an oath of office. You're going to remove me, so you're just going to make me leave. You're not going to tell me whether you took an oath of office or not. I'm being removed? Why am I being removed for? I didn't enter a plea. I didn't say anything, sir.
Because you can't maintain courtroom decorum. It's real simple.
I'm going. Why can't he tell me if he's going to take an oath of office? Did you take an oath of office?
It's time to go.
Okay. Hold on. What trial? I didn't take. I didn't take a plea. What are you talking about? How can you make it?
They'll enter a plea not guilty for you when you go into this nonsense. There's always a default. These people always think that they're going to hang things up. The court always has something to default to in the event that one of the parties is not cooperating. You have to. It's just part of law. Like, it's not as if we haven't seen this happen before. Oh, it's good.
Your verbiage is not helping, and I'll take your verbiage as a plea of not guilty unless you want to plead guilty.
I said, did you take an oath of office? And you won't.
We heard you, and we took that as I'm pleading not guilty and I'm not cooperating with the proceedings.
Respond to me. Why won't you respond to me, sir? Did you not take an oath? Did you not take an oath to defend God, this country, and the children around the world? Really?
No, he didn't. He did not take that oath. I can guarantee you he did not take that oath. It would be inappropriate. But the children around the world is a nice touch.
Seriously, I can't believe this. I'm in Mount Brick Court, and the judge won't tell me whether he took an oath to all this country coming to is what I don't understand. Help! Help! I'm being repressed, bloody peasant! Well, I'm not taking no paper from you. I mean, this country, you did take an oath of office, did you? You did take an oath of office, huh? You did take an oath of office. Why? I mean, you didn't take an oath of office, huh?
Mr. Keys, let's go.
Where are we going?
We've got you're being escorted out. We've got a lot of other cases we have to get to, so come on.
This man did not take an oath of office. The judge here did not take an oath of office. We're in Mount Brook.
At this point, I really think they should take him into custody and hold him in contempt. He's not leaving when he's been asked to. I think the only reason why he's just saying escort him out is I entered into a not guilty plea for you, and that's all we need to do for the day. But now we have him clogging up a docket.
And he can't even say he took an oath of office. I mean, this is embarrassing. Embarrassing the entire country here.
Oh, it's embarrassing, all right. But not the way you mean it.
That we're in court and to make any sense, he took an oath of office. Yes, sir.
You need to go.
I'm going. I'm going right now. But this is a disgrace to this country. I surely hope that you took an oath of office, didn't you?
Let's go.
Will you not answer my question?
No, I'm not answering any.
So you didn't take an oath of office to defend the people around the world? Seriously, I cannot believe this. In America right now, we got people, the judge he won't even tell me if he took an oath of office. This man won't even tell me if he took an oath of office. Y'all going into some...
I mean, I have no idea, but it appears that he's altered to me. I'm no expert on the topic, but he is jacked up. Even if you plan on doing this, it'd be hard to maintain that level of intensity unaltered.
Somebody that won't even say he defends the country, that he defends the United States of America, that he doesn't care about the kids. And none of y'all people, none of you care about it.
Oh, we don't care about the kids now because we haven't adopted your kooky attitude about the court hearing. Okay.
Why am I the only one that cares? Why am I the only one that cares about this? Huh? Nobody cares about this. What is wrong with everyone? What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing in here? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
What did they tell you? I do care about our kids. My daughter is a Birmingham police officer. So.
Did he take an oath of office? Because the policeman wouldn't even tell me he took an oath of office. The judge wouldn't even tell me. He wouldn't even tell me. He would not tell me. I asked him, did he take an oath of office? You know what he said? I don't have to answer that.
Yeah, and he's right.
He told me he didn't have to answer that. He told me he didn't have to answer that.
Well, that's not right.
Thank you. There's one person that agrees with me.
No, we agree with you.
Oh, so thank you. So y'all all agree with me. This judge you're going to see right now will not say if he took an oath of office.
Never do it, Slim Jim.
I cannot believe this. In America, the judge don't even take oaths of offices anymore. They're just crap.
Yeah, they do. All public officials take an oath when they're sworn in and have some office, and judges are no exception. And that's why he doesn't need to answer you. I mean, if you think that this guy's fraudulently sitting on the bench in the county courthouse, go ahead and make your play. But no one's buying it.
Crazy. I cannot believe I did not enter a plea of guilty or not guilty. I did not do anything because he wouldn't tell me if I took it. He wouldn't take any of my documents. I've got all these affidavits right here, and he will. Calm down, Christopher.
Yes, Christopher.
I'll be back later.
Well, there you have it. Just scream, bring your soft sit script, say kooky things, and scream. That's the defense tactic. It looks like it was an arraignment. He goes. He's non-responsive to the question. Judges will routinely enter a not guilty plea in that scenario. That's what the judge did. The only thing is on the way out, I think he was in contempt of court and could have been held. That's certainly in the judge's discretion. Just saying, if I was sitting on the bench, I would have said, lock him up. It's time. We can't have this in the courtroom. But honestly, he's got, you can see other people there. He's got a courtroom full, and he doesn't want to delay all of their stuff 10 or 15 minutes while he plays around with that. In order to do the contempt thing, he's got to give him a chance to purge. It's a process. It's not that big of a deal. But he's literally bending over backwards for the other litigants in the room. Is my take on it. Here at Law Talk, we like to have fun with silly stuff that happens in court, and every once in a while, and completely by accident, I assure you, you might learn something. Thanks for watching.